Hello students, welcome to the video lecture number 13 of quadratic equation. So students, here exercise 4.2 is there, and in this exercise we have to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. Question first has 5 parts. So students, each part we have to solve using factorization method. In other words, you can say middle term split method. And these type of factors you have already solved in class 9th, and I hope you know how to factorize using middle term method. So here students, first example is there, solution first part. We have x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. First of all, we factorize this 10 as the product of two factors. First of all, we should factorize 10 as two factor. For example, 2 5 ja 10, whose product is 10, but we want to find 3, which is middle term. So how will we find? We find using 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So this is the trick to find middle term. And now we put x square minus 5 minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Students, it is very clear that फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इस नंबर को जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है उसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, सपोज एनी अदर नंबर इज गिवन हियर. इन दिस केस ओनली 1 इज ए कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, बट सपोज देयर विल बी, सपोज इट इज 4x स्क्वायर और 5x स्क्वायर, मीन्स इफ एनी नंबर अदर देन 1 2 3 4 5 एक्सेट्रा, if there is any number, then first of all we should multiply this coefficient to the कांस्टेंट टर्म. पहले हम, अगर यहाँ कोई नंबर है अदर देन 1, तो इसको, इस नंबर को और इस 10 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे उस नंबर को, एंड केवल हम 2 फैक्टर्स में फैक्टराइज करेंगे, और वो फैक्टर ऐसे होने चाहिए कि उनको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे टोटल प्रोडक्ट आए, बट उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड करने पे मिडिल टर्म आए. तो टू बी कंटिन्यू स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2x माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर एक बार इज इक्वल टू है, तो यहाँ पे हम या तो इम्प्लॉइज यूज कर सकते हैं और हम आर लगा सकते हैं, बट वी डू नॉट यूज इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स. नाउ टेक कॉमन हियर, x इज कॉमन हियर, x माइनस 5 प्लस 2 इज कॉमन हुआ, तो इसके बाद हो जाएगा 2 5 या 10, यानी x माइनस 5 is equal to 0. In both the terms, x minus 5 is common. Remaining factor is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now if x minus 5 is equal to 0, then we can say x is equal to 5. This is the first root of this quadratic equation. Now similarly, if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. This is the another root of the quadratic equation, students. So I think you should write if means यदि. आपको मालूम है कि ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज वी नो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 फैक्टर इज 0. कभी भी 2 फैक्टर्स का प्रोडक्ट 0 कब हो सकता है? जब उनमें से एक 0 के इक्वल हो. अब यहाँ हमको नहीं क्लियर कि कौन सा 0 के इक्वल है, इसलिए हम दोनों को एक एक करके 1 by 1 0 के इक्वल रखते हैं. इन फर्स्ट केस फर्स्ट फैक्टर x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0, जब हमने इसको रखा तो x की वैल्यू 5 आई. इन सेकंड केस जब हमने x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 रखा तो x की वैल्यू माइनस 2 आई. तो दीज आर द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरली फॉर सेकंड पार्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू हिंट अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. Here question is 2x square plus x minus 6. Students, first of all here 2 is there, then for this question you should multiply by 2 into 6. आप इस नंबर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड आपको मिला 12. नाउ 12 के फैक्टर्स करेंगे तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, 1 आना चाहिए। यू नो 4 3 जा 12 एंड 4 माइनस 3 इज 1। तो इसको आप ऐसे फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं और आई होप कि सेकंड पार्ट यू विल डू। नाउ वी कम टू पार्ट थर्ड। अब हम थर्ड पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स हियर हम थर्ड पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं, तब तक आप इसको नोट कीजिए। तो स्टूडेंट्स हियर वी हैव द क्वेश्चन। नाउ पार्ट थर्ड, solution of part third, we have quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay students, so we will use same trick. We write here, we have constant term and coefficient of x square. First of all, we should multiply both, as root 2 multiplied by 5 root 2 we get 10. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमें 10 मिला, 5 2 जा 10 एंड नाउ वी फैक्टराइज 10 एज 5 into 2, then we get 10 as a product, but when we add 5 plus 2 then we get 7, which is the middle term of this quadratic equation. So it is clear, this work is very important students, please do right hand side of your page. Now using root 2x square plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 students here. आप जानते हैं कि मिडिल टर्म में आपने कर दिया इसको। आई थिंक यू आर वेरी अवेयर अबाउट दैट हाउ टू यूज। नाउ ओ आर रूट 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 2x प्लस 5 root 2 is equal to 0 students here. We have 4 terms, 2 pair of terms, and if we see students here in this pair only x is common, then we can write root x plus 5, but here we cannot take directly anything is common, so we should convert 2 as root 2 into root 2, or root 2x square plus 5x plus root 2 into root 2 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 students here. Simply we converted, क्या किया हमने, 2 को हमने root 2 into root 2 में convert किया. Now easily we can take common up. Here only x is common, you know. Then root 2x plus 5 in first bracket, and in next pair of terms we take common root 2 clearly. Then root 2 is common here, we can write root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 students. Both bracket have same factors, so our solution is going correct. Now in both the factors root 2x plus 5 and ये कॉमन हुआ आपका, then x plus root 5 which is equal to 0. Now when we put one by one, if root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then you can write x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So students, this is the first root of the quadratic equation. Similarly students, if x plus root 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus root 5. This is another root of the quadratic equation. So by this method of factorization, we have find roots of this quadratic equation students. Now students, I hope you will do remaining parts of the question as 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. It is hint that first of all take LCM as 8 and convert into और मल्टीप्लाई 8 बोथ द साइड. जब आप इस पार्ट को करने के लिए इसमें 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ आएगा 16x स्क्वायर माइनस 8x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. देन यू कैन फैक्टराइज इट. तो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट एज ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. एंड लास्ट पार्ट 100x स्क्वायर माइनस 20x इज प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स 100 into 1 100 हुआ, एंड 100 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे आप कि 20 आ जाए. तो 10 into 10 100, 10 plus 10 20. By the same way you can factorize all the parts. So students, write down the solution. Students, here third question of 4.2. Question is, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So students, remember this is also a type of word problem. So first of all we should read carefully, then convert it into quadratic equation, then solve. So here we have product of two numbers 182 and the sum of two numbers is 27. So first of all we should assume that let first number be x, first number be x, but sum is given here, sum of two numbers is equal to 27. So second number will be, second number is equal to 27 minus x. Students, here first of all we have to suppose that first number is x and in question it is given that sum of two number is 27. Then to find the second number we should subtract first number from the sum, which is 27. So we have got both the numbers, and now according to question the product of both the numbers, that is x multiplication and multiplied by 27 minus x is equal to 182. So here students, 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Now students, this equation can be written as x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. See here, this equation can be written as x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now students, we want to factorize. So first of all we factorize 182. Come here, 182 as a prime factor. 2 6 ja 18, sorry 2 9 ja 18, 7 13 ja and 13 7 ja. Clear students? This is 14 and this is 13. So we have two factors of 182 like 14 into 13. We have two factors 14 and 13. The product of 14 and 13 is 182, but if we add both the terms, 14 plus 13 is equal to 27, or 27, you know 27 is nothing but middle term. So we have selected the factors 14 and 13 whose product is equal to 182 and whose sum is equal to 27, and 27 is nothing but middle term. Now to be continue, or x square minus 14 plus 13 bracket close x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now students, open bracket, x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. students, now आपने इसको नोट कर लिया होगा, एंड इन दिस कंटिन्यूएशन we have x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Take common, x is common here, x minus 14 minus 13 is common here. Again we have x minus 14 is equal to 0, or in both the terms x minus 14 is common, and we have another factor x minus 13 which is equal to 0. So students, here if x minus 14 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 14, first number, and if x minus 13 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 13. So these are the students two roots of the quadratic equation. In other words, we can say these are the two numbers which are asked in your question. So students, here we have question number 5 of 4.2. The altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find other two sides. So it is very clear that first of all we should draw a right angle triangle as A, B, C is right angle triangle. You know this is base and this is perpendicular or altitude, and this is hypotenuse, which is 13 centimeter given in your question. And from this question it is clear that the altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. In this question, information is given about altitude, not about the base. So let base of the triangle be x centimeter. Thus, altitude, which is BC, is equal to altitude is right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So that is x minus 7 centimeter. Students, you can write here about altitude x minus 7 centimeter and this base is x centimeter. Now we have right angle triangle, you are very aware about that. And in this right angle triangle, how to make quadratic equation? So certainly it is very common. If there is right angle triangle, we can use frankly Pythagoras theorem. Now using Pythagoras theorem, you know, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 13 square is equal to perpendicular means altitude x minus 7 square and base, that is x square. Now students, 169 here is equal to, using a minus b whole square, x square plus 49, that is b square, minus 2ab to 14x plus x square. So students, we can say that 169 is equal to 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. We can write 0 is equal to 2x square plus 49 minus 169 minus 14x, or 0 is equal to 2x square minus 14x, and here you can subtract this and in negative sign 0, 12, 120. So students, here 2x square minus 14x minus 120, or 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0, and by dividing this equation by 2 both sides, we can get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Students, we have this quadratic equation, and I hope you will solve using factorization method, as we have 60, 12 5 ja 60, 12 minus 5 7, and by this way you can conclude this question solution. And still if you have any problem, and the remaining part I hope you will do by same way. Still if you have any problem, you can ask. And now in next lecture we will continue question number 6 and 4.3. So till then, write the solution and try to complete this solution, and subscribe our channel to get updated videos, and put bell icon. Okay students, thanks. Okay.